Surah Al Ghashiyah, the overshadowing. This surah is Meccan, containing 1 section and 26 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
هل أتاك حديث الغاشية.
Indeed, news of the overshadowing calamity has come to you.
وجوه يومئذ خاشعة.
Many faces will be humbled on that day,
عاملة ناصبة.
laboring, weary.
تصلى نارا حامية.
They will enter a raging fire.
تسقى من عين آنية.
They will be made to drink from a boiling spring.
ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع.
There is no food for them except a thorny plant,
لا يسمن ولا يغني من جوع.
which will neither nourish nor give relief from hunger.
وجوه يومئذ ناعمة.
Many faces will be blissful on that day,
لسعيها راضية.
pleased with their endeavors,
في جنة عالية.
in lofty gardens.
لا تسمع فيها لاغية.
They will not hear any indecent speech therein.
فيها عين جارية.
Flowing springs therein.
فيها سرر مرفوعة.
Elevated thrones therein,
وأكواب موضوعة.
and placed vessels,
ونمارق مصفوفة.
and long cushions set in rows,
وزرابي مبثوثة.
and exquisite carpets spread out.
أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت.
So do they not see the camels, how they were created?
وإلى السماء كيف رفعت.
And the sky, how it was raised?
وإلى الجبال كيف نصبت.
And the mountains, how they were fixed?
وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت.
And the earth, how it was spread out?
فذكر إنما أنت مذكر.
So advise, you are but one who advises.
لست عليهم بمسيطر.
You are not one who forces them,
إلا من تولى وكفر.
however, the one who turned away and disbelieved,
فيعذبه الله العذاب الأكبر.
so Allah will punish him with the most severe punishment.
إن إلينا إيابهم.
Indeed, their return is to us.
ثم إن علينا حسابهم.
Then their accountability is upon us.